and at least hear the plenary discussions. Out of the meeting, we're also getting some contributions to ESA's EcoEd Digital Library, which again, as I mentioned, is an online resource that people can contribute educational materials to. This summer at ESA's annual meeting, which will be in August in Pittsburgh, there will be a workshop based on a number of the case studies that were presented. So we're inviting back a number of the people that developed these case studies to Pittsburgh to a workshop where they'll be able to discuss their efforts in more detail. And then finally, pending funding, which is true of many projects, we have some plans for our education office to develop teaching resources for undergraduate students in ecology and social sciences, and possibly high school students. And the idea is that we want to put together one, possibly two workshops where we would invite in teachers from colleges and high schools and basically teach them about some of the issues involved, provide them with materials that they could take back to their classrooms, and so forth, and that hopefully they could get the kinds of credit they need, particularly for public school teachers who need continuing education credits, things of that sort. So we're hoping to develop that pending funding. Some of the recommendations that came out of this first conference, and I'm indebted to our former communications officer, Christine Buckley, for this summary. First, with respect to research and monitoring, we really need to develop techniques to understand the amount and quality of fresh water available. We don't know enough about what's out there, much less the impacts of variability or a drought, so that we can understand how much is out there and understand the quality and sustainability of water ecosystems. The understanding how much is available for humans to work with, recognizing that we also have water needs for all the other organisms on the planet, is an absolute prerequisite to